Hello, welcome to Mirror and Thread. I'm Jess, and it is time for the most requested gift guide from you guys, which is a men's gift guide. So this one is for more husbands, boyfriends, was kind of what I had in mind. So I will be doing a separate one for like dads, grandpas, and father-in-laws, and those people in your life as well. But I wanted to do this one first because I actually really love, this is my favorite gift guide to do every year. I get really jazzed about picking out gifts for my husband. He's really easy to buy for, and also I just know that these are gifts that hang a lot of people up and can cause some stress. So I hope that this is helpful for you and alleviates some of that holiday stress. So we're gonna jump right in. So I'm going to link this entire blog post in the description as well as every single item. So if you want to reference it, you can bookmark it or save that page for later if you are not ready to do your shopping yet. But first step is just this basic flannel shirt. So Cody has, I think, like every color of this. And they have all kinds of, this is the J. Crew outlet, and they have all kinds of different plaids and patterns and all kinds of things for this. But these are nice because they double as work shirts and they can wear them more casually too. And J. Crew outlet always has incredible deals, especially this week going into Cyber Week. They are already 56% off, so really good deal, and they just tend to have really great sales. So definitely somewhere to check out. And they're one of my favorite places for men's gifts because they have great sales. The quality is always really nice, and they're kind of just unique things too. Well, look at that. This one's 40% off too. Finding all the deals I didn't even know about. But I got Cody a really similar, just basic gray cap a couple of years ago, and he has worn it so much. So I think this is definitely worth a purchase, and this makes a great just like smaller gift or stocking stuffer if you just want to have a couple of different things for them to open Christmas Day. $16 is a really good price for that, I feel like. So yeah, I may have to order Cody one of these. He's gonna see it because he edits the video, but I'll pretend like that was a secret. I forgot to mention that Cody did help me with picking all these things out and developing this gift guide, so they're all actual man approved and things that I've either gotten him in the past or that he would really like to have on his Christmas list. So I don't know if that helps you as far as trusting this gift guide goes, but he has this exact pair of high top sneakers and he's worn them so much. It's actually something that his mom got him, I believe, last year, and they're really good quality for a pretty great price. Let's just plug this in and see if it will tell us. So $80. I feel like that's pretty good for a nice like leather sneaker, and they come in white as well, and they're just a little bit different than your basic like Converse sneaker or something. So I think these are really good option. All right, this one's a little bit more of a splurge, but if he doesn't have a pair of AirPods yet, I do recommend these. Cody has tried these out a couple of times, and I keep trying to buy Amazon dupes for these because they can be a little bit pricey. They're $139, but dupes just aren't, when it comes to electronics, like you kind of just have to buy the real deal. And I wish there was a good dupe, but I tried one and they were just, the sound quality is really bad, and they had that kind of like rustly sound in there. But anyways, the real ones are really nice, and they're just super convenient, especially if they take a lot of work calls or they like to be on their phone and take calls while they're working at home or doing housework or whatever. I like to do that. So anyways, these are a great option for that, and they are $20 off right now on Amazon. This is another great kind of stocking stuffer type of option for a man. Cody and I always do stockings, and it's hard to figure out what to put in a man's stocking, but these are only $35. This particular pair is North Face, so these are very high quality, super warm gloves, and they are the tech gloves, which just means that the fingertip on the index finger is actually able to access your phone, so you don't have to take your glove off every time you want to get on your phone. So these are really nice to have on hand, and these come in a couple of other colors too. This is another thing that I think I've bought Cody one of every year so far, and so far he's never complained, and he really wears them a lot. So I think it's worth a buy. But These are on sale for 50% off right now, so $39 is a pretty great price on a puffer vest. And once again, the quality on this is really, really nice. So these are very thick and warm without looking just like super bulky. So this comes in a lot of other colors. I love this brown color just for something different, but they have an olive and a black. And if they don't have any of these in their closet, these are really great because I find that guys tend to be warmer natured, at least Cody is. And so these are a great alternative to a coat when the weather isn't super cold out yet. It's also kind of standing tradition that I get Cody a pair of jogger pants for Christmas or for Valentine's Day, because I think he's so dang cute in them, and I don't know why men are cuter in sweatpants than women are, but it's just a fact of life. But I like this pair a lot. These are just basic Adidas ones, so I don't think you're gonna get any complaints. They're not super trendy or anything like that, but they're nice quality, they fit well, and are just something that he can wear A, around the house, B, to the gym, and C, can wear out of the house too for running errands or whatever on the weekends. All right, I'm going to call it now that this is both Cody and I's number one pick for this entire gift guide. If you're only gonna get one thing, make it this Ultra Parka. This is from Abercrombie, and if you don't know or you haven't heard me talk about it before, Abercrombie is one of my favorite places for outerwear because I think that the quality really, really delivers for the price. They're pretty reasonably priced. This one is insane. I wear this sometimes out, like if we're gonna walk Tucker or something and it's really cold. This is the kind of coat that they could literally stand in a tundra and never get cold. Like, it's so warm. So it is super, super lined with down, very thick, but then the outside is kind of this military parka look. So again, it doesn't look really bulky on the outside. It's got, the hood is lined all the way through as well, and it has fleece lined pockets. So Cody has been so excited about this every single day since he got it, and it's definitely, definitely worth a purchase to me, or at least a second look. Right now, they are running a good sale on these. I'm not sure how long this sale lasts, but these tend to go kind of on and off of sale, so you might just keep an eye on it. But I think this is definitely a great gift that any man would really appreciate having. This is for sure the most expensive thing on this gift guide, but if your husband is a tech guy, or if he works at coffee shops or from home a lot, or even in an office where he needs some quiet, these headphones are unbeatable. They're just the best quality. And like I said with the AirPods, I feel like electronics and things like this, especially for men, is something that you just can't skimp on quality with. It just isn't going to love or to match up to what their expectations are. So I do think that they deliver on the quality for the price. And I also find that guys, a lot of times it's easier just to get them one really big gift than I think women are kind of easier to get a lot of like $10, $15, $20 gifts and kind of build those up. And men might prefer just one larger thing. So I did include these. I know that they are pricey, but I do think this is something that they will really appreciate and will use for years and years and will last them forever. If you'll remember this one from Cody's haul that he did a little while back, if not, you can go back and watch that video on our channel, but he has loved having this wool coat too. So this is more of a dress coat for like workwear or for church or kind of dressier outfits, but this one fits really nice and it's so just like sleek and classy, and I love Cody in this coat. I think it's such a cute one on, or handsome one on. I guess you can't say cute with guys. But true to size, and again, this is J. Crew Factory, so definitely should probably be on sale. And if it's not, wait until it is, because they tend to run really great deals. This is a great deal on a pair of house slippers, and I can't think of any man who doesn't like a pair of these, even if it is your dad or your grandpa or your father-in-law or whoever, a brother. I think these are a pretty foolproof option. And they also, side note, have a women's option that are affordable and great too. But I've gotten Cody this exact pair a couple of years ago, and he wore them so much that they literally fell apart. He wore them every day. even in like warmer temperatures because we have stained concrete floors. And anyway, I just think these are great option, and I don't think that anyone who opens this is not going to appreciate them or love them. Okay, so I hope that record players are still cool. I know that Cody would still like to get one, and so I went ahead and included this, but these are also fun because you can get some really fun albums that like maybe you guys listened to when you were dating, or your wedding song, or something that's really special and nostalgic would make a cool like gift of a couple of different things. But I thought this was very reasonable at $69, and it comes in lots of different cool colors, and it also has Bluetooth compatibility, so I thought that was really neat. Another thing that I just discovered is on sale, so yay! This is something, a nice like weekender bag is something that I think men could really use, but that they probably wouldn't buy for themselves, which is kind of the sweet spot with gift giving. So this one is very nice. It looks really chic again, and just pretty neutral. I don't think that there's anyone who would dislike just a gray, nice looking bag like this, but Cody has one of these, and he uses it for when they go on golf trips or work trips or lots of things. And I think he has appreciated having one instead of his just like old basketball gym bag that he used to use. So right now it's 25% off, so $67 I think is a very reasonable price for the quality of this. Clearly, I think the outerwear things are a good gift for guys because I just think it's something that they will always appreciate. But Patagonia pullover, they have a lot of different options of these. I included just this quilted fleece one, but they make, warmer ones. They make vest versions. They have all kinds of different things. And you can kind of see on the side here some of the different options if this style isn't your favorite. But I think this one's very classic and would go with everything. And it comes in a couple of other colors too. Last but not least is the Yeti mug that, yes, I am including in every gift guide that I do, so I apologize for that in advance, but I love these. I think they're so worth a purchase, and I got one for Cody last year. I think I said this in the last one, and he used it every single day, so much so that I bought one for myself, and now I love it. But they have lots of like manlier looking ones. They have the stainless steel, there's black and brown, and like an olive green color. So this is another great like smaller gift or stocking stuffer option, and they're only $24. I did include, if you click on the blog post, I included a couple of other options. There's like a cool razor and some grooming products and some different things in the blog post as well, so you can shop all of that there. But we are going to cap this one at 15 as far as the video goes, so that this doesn't end up being a 2-hour long video. So I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know what you plan on getting your guy for Christmas, and I will see you next time I have another women's gift guide coming up, and then dads and grandpas, which can be tricky, so stay tuned.